This calendar is so worth it. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta! The Body Shop calendar! Welcome! And because it's October, this is a spoiler, and we will open Advent Calendar 2020 today, and I'm so glad you're with me. My name is Kate, and welcome on this unboxing. I think we will start immediately. There are 24 to go, and I don't want this video to be very long. This version of calendar was the cheapest version of the Body Shop calendar. I think they have 2 or 3, and this was the cheapest one because I'm going to open, I think, 6 or 7 this year, so yeah, I need to save money. So yes, we go with number 1. I found number 1. Save my nail, save my nail. Mango hand cream. Ooh, I love their hand creams. I have a peron, which is pear in English. I really like their hand creams. They are very moisturizing. They have a lot of shea butter, sometimes cocoa butter. So yeah, I know that this will be a very good product. And then we go to number 2. Found here. Number 3, yes, here it is. And here we have almond, milk and honey for sensitive dry skin shower cream. This is how it looks like. I don't know what smells in this calendar so nicely, probably everything, but this box smells so good. I prepared a bowl, so I gathered everything and nothing will escape. And I have a tool. This is a pen set from Kicks that will help me to open all those boxes and take away the products. Number 4, that one is big. Okay, here we have Empowered Be Brave hair ties. Nothing special, I would say. Not very business-oriented colors, but yeah, nice. Oh my god. So with shea butter. Oh, guys. Oh, it smells amazing. We have shea butter and glycerin, very high in ingredients list. This smells awesome. It's amazing. Number 6. 6. Give me 6. Okay, here we have something small. Where's my super tool? Yes. Ooh, lip butter. It's like 10 milliliters. So good. Yeah, strawberries. Then we got number 7. 7 is here. Hopefully it will be easy to get it out. Ooh. It matches my lipstick. And here we have a shower sponge. Number 8. Number 8 is also on the top, and it's also kind of round product. Maybe it will be white and we'll have flag of Poland. No, we have here something. Give me. Yes. Instant Glow Body Butter British Rose. This is, I would say, 50 ml. Yeah, it is 50. I personally like rose flavor. I either have a jam with rose. I love rose scent, and this will be great for me, but I know some people don't like it, but yeah, for me, rose is all the way. Can I have Power of Attraction now working for me? Power of Attraction, give me number 9. Yes, it's here. I think, I still don't see it, but I saw white thingy with, and I think it's a coconut scrap for body. But it's not easy, but this one is good. I can tell you that. Yeah, I think it's the same product. It's body scrap, and then this is the coconut body scrap. I have It's amazing. I love it. It's very creamy. It has coconut oil in it. I love it. I totally love it. It's a great product, guys. Great. If you love coconut, you should take a look into this product and just smell. Just smell it once. The number 10 is here. Okay. And we have banana truly nourishing shampoo for normal and dry hair. I have dry hair, so perfect. Blonde girls, I think, have dry hair, especially when we bleach them. Yes, so number 11 now goes faster, much faster. Whew. See, stop. Another hand cream. This is the same series as this soap, so it also smell. I love it. This is perfect calendar, guys, for coming winter. So very oily, very moisturizing product for hands in Sweden, in Nordics, and I think wherever you are living, maybe there is actually snow during winter. So definitely those hand creams will really make a difference. And then we'll go to number 12. Here we have mango shower gel. That is much easier. 60 milliliters mango shower gel. We have the same series with the hand cream, so I think they're matching some products. Really nice. We'll go now to number 13. That should be lucky 13. It's quite big though. Ooh, gloves. When you don't want to get dirty. Hooray, this is easy to go out. Shower gel. Strawberry shower gel. Really nice smell because this is matching the lip balm. 60 milliliters. Awesome. Then we'll go to number 15, which is here. This is bigger. Or this is another hand cream, pink grapefruit. Oh, I have to smell that. Let's smell that together. Really nice. Not too sweet. It's really grapefruit smell. I could drink that. Very citrus, very strong citrus smell. Nice. It was number 15, so we'll go to number 16. This is a coconut bath bomb. Ooh. My daughter will love it. She loves bubble mists or yeah, those kind of thingies. She will love it. And the smell is gorgeous. Everything here smells gorgeous now. Oh my god, this was number 16. We'll go to number 17. This is here. Okay, here we have a polisher with Santa Claus or kind of a reindeer that says, "Give me a hand," and on the other side, "I like the way you smooth." Okay, 17, then 18. Another bath bubble with pink grapefruits. Yes, I like it. I really like it. Number 19. And here we have banana conditioner, 60 milliliters, so it will match the banana shampoo that we got before. Really cool. And now we will go to number 20. Number 20 is here. Oh, this is coconut leaf butter, guys. This calendar is so worth it. At least if you like those kind of stuff. And then after 20 we will go to number 21, which is here. Something new. Aha, here we have Fearless and Unstoppable. Those are like baby pins for hair. They're not that big, they're not that small, but I will try to use them in my tutorials on Instagram with makeup and I think for facial treatments especially. Yeah, really nice. And then we'll go to number 22. We have coconut shower cream. Yes, It's also 60 milliliters. Really nice. I just need to smell it. Ah, this coconut edition is fantastic. Fantastic. And then we have 23. Ooh, lip, maybe scrub or? We have mango lip butter. We could expect mango because we are missing kind of third piece into this puzzle. Oh my god, it's time for 24. It went so fast. I hope I didn't rush with it, but I just want this video to be, you know, to the point. So, ladies and gentlemen, 24 number of the Body Shop 2020. And this is Almond and Milk and Honey for sensitive dry skin body butter. We didn't have that many body butter, and I know how amazing they are. I love their body butters. Sorry, I'm still recovering from a flu, but I'm super happy with this calendar. I kept the ball with all the products that were gathered from this box. I really like it. I think it's so worth it. It was around 500 Swedish kronor, so it is around 50 euro I paid for this box. So many good products, such a big variety for hair, body, lips, nails, and some accessories. Really awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being with me. See you in next unboxing or next video.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snow.